Welcome to Roswell Toyota. Please enjoy this video.
The 2015 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, anti-lock brakes, navigation system, traction control, passenger airbag, dual airbags, driver airbag, air conditioning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Vehicle Program. It's the smart choice.
Here at Roswell Toyota, we enjoy the challenge of meeting and exceeding those standards with each and every customer committed to excellence. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you and strive for customer satisfaction. Come by and see us at 2211 West 2nd Street, Roswell, New Mexico, 88201.